Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video of the Bambino case for iPads. Place the left edge of the iPad into the handle side of the Bambino, and then carefully push the other two corners of the iPad into the case until they pop in. The corners feature double-thick foam for exceptional protection against drops and other impacts. The raised edges around the screen are designed to eliminate the risk of cracked screens. The Bambino also comes with an optional built-in screen protector for added screen security. Customized cutouts give easy access to the camera and the buttons. There is a tab to cover the charging port and to prevent dust and debris from collecting. The carry handle is convenient to hold your iPad when you're on the move, and the handle folds down 180 degrees to become a stand. Simply tilt the built-in handle for easy typing or comfortable viewing mode. The Bambino case has been rigorously drop tested and complies with the military drop test standards, so your iPad will be safe. And don't forget, all our cases always come with free custom logo embossing, a 10-year warranty, and free shipping.